Hey y'all, welcome back to the Cripples YouTube channel, and this video is our room tour of the HOME2Suites. The accommodations themselves at this hotel were very solid. We're just more on-property type people. That doesn't mean that this was a bad hotel, it just means that we like to stay in the magic and then not outside the magic. But what it does offer for those looking for something off-property is a 6-minute drive from Animal Kingdom. Also has Disney shuttles, so they have a shuttle system. I'm not entirely sure how it works, but they will bring you to and from the parks with their shuttle system. They have studio and 1-bedroom suites. They also have a complimentary breakfast. We didn't enjoy the breakfast, but I could see how, having complimentary breakfast, it was doable. It was edible. We just didn't really care for it. But overall, again, we are on-property people. So, like I said, this hotel was not bad. It was good for a one night, but if you are looking for something off-property, I think that this is a great choice. So, now let's look at the room so you can see how amazing this room is, and the room itself is what draws me back to it. So, thanks for watching this video, and in the next clip, we're going to the room tour. Okay, we have made it into our room, and this is what you look like when you first walk in. It's a pretty substantial room. First thing on your right is a full fridge with a refrigerator and a freezer. So that's good. If we were spending more than one night, maybe we'd use it. And then it's got plates and bowls, a microwave, some stuff under here. Some storage, trash bag. Also looks like it has a dishwasher and it's got a Livy.
My name?
No. We got mugs and cups. It's over here. More storage. Yep, more storage.
Look over here.
This like large counter space.
A bed.
A desk with a chair, an ergonomical chair. Okay, ergonomicals.
No.
And then it's got a Brian.
Ew.
This is more storage.
Yes.
That's the guitar.
More storage. More. Pretty deep storage. And then we got a king bedroom. So this is the king bed. And it comes with a sofa too. So it's a pretty large space, I have to say.
And I don't know, that may or may not fold out. I have no idea.
It does. So really it's 2 beds. If someone is willing to sleep on a sofa sleeper. And you got your air conditioner right by the window. A lovely water view. Alright, and a lamp. Very important to have a lamp. Okay, we're going to get to Disney Springs now. I have to potty, and then we'll head out. Welcome, Brian! Okay, so that was the room. As you can see, the room is huge. That's what draws me mostly to this hotel is the room size and the full refrigerator and freezer, which is a huge draw because at most Disney rooms, most Disney hotels besides DVC rooms, you are not going to get a full fridge or a full freezer. You're just not. You're going to get a beverage cooler that doesn't keep your beverages cold. It keeps them cool, aka beverage cooler. Right. So take that for what you will on how I'm getting all upset in arms about a beverage cooler, but whatever. We love this hotel for the one night, except that it didn't have a bathroom. But yes, we really like this hotel. We're going back to Disney soon, and we're staying here for a night again. So best compliment is that you do it again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. catch us in the next video, which will be our Ohana review. So see you then. Bye!